Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset the DNS on GoDaddy. So the first thing that we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section of your browser, of course, and simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. If you're facing any issues with the language, like I did face some the first time I entered this website, make sure to scroll down until the bottom of that page. And here you'll be able to change your country and region. And of course, you can see on the right of it the language that comes with this country or region. And of course, you can even change your currency if you want. Once you do that and you're all done, you can just go and log in into your account at the top right corner here. If you have an account, just go and log in into it. And at the bottom of it, you'll find an option to create an account if you don't have an account. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen. So as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to reset our DNS. So of course, after we logged in into your account, after you logged in into your account, you can simply click at your account here and go to your products. Once you go into your products, make sure to search for this domain sections and just locate the domain name that you want to reset the DNS settings of it. Make sure to click on DNS here. So of course, let me just delete this. So you can see here, I will find my DNS records. Of course, I will even find the host names if I want to after clicking at the host name, but for me, I don't have any right now. Then, of course, if you maybe accidentally delete them or something, the only way actually you can do this is to import them, this like DNS records from another website like similar to yours. So as you can see, you can click at these three dots and import them from somewhere else. You can even search online for that. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.